So before we start painting today, I just wanted to speak to you about something that comes up for a lot of people who are new to watercolours, and that's the fear of even beginning. You know, where do you begin when you come to paint with watercolours? And really, if we look a bit deeper, it's about the fear of making mistakes, isn't it? You know, that if you start painting, it won't be right, it won't feel right, it won't look right. One of the main fears I find is that fear of facing the blank white page. And I get it, I totally get it. Even to this day, you know, I look at that white page and I think, right, what's next? What's the first move? So let's start painting today and let's make that white page not white. Okay, let's dive in. So we're going to use ultramarine and we're going to use opera rose. Then we're going to add in some cadmium red, and finally we're going to be using sap green, a favourite of mine. So let's get going. Okay, so as we start painting today, I'd love you to think about one of the biggest reasons that holds people back, even from trying watercolour. And it's that little voice inside of us that says, watercolours are for professionals. And it's just simply not true. Watercolours are for everybody. Well, anyone who wants to experience the joy of experimentation anyway. But you know, the amazing thing about watercolours, they don't ask for permission or for perfection. In fact, they allow you to experiment. They've got a mind of their own, and all you have to do is just let go and go with the flow. Simply explore what happens when you just let go and ease into the moment. It's not about having a tight grip at all, not a tight grip on the brush or on what you'll create, because watercolours allow you to actually loosen that grip a little, to let the paint move on the paper, to let it dance, let it blend, and let it surprise you. And when you allow that to happen, something shifts. You let go of the need to control, and you begin to feel the release from that tight grip that anxiety can have. And every single time you show up, even just for a few minutes, you're quietly proving to yourself that yes, when you let go of things, things don't fall apart. And in fact, what I've found is that they become much more whole. So as you begin painting with me today, maybe you'll notice how easy it is to let go of the need to get it right, and how natural it feels to simply just enjoy the painting process itself. What if today you just gave yourself full permission to explore? Not to create something perfect, not to try and impress anyone else, just to enjoy the way the water moves on the page and the way that you get to move with it.